Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forbes Tech Reviews, doing another video today. And yes, today's video is my camera samples from the LG G7. People have been asking about the camera, so why not do a little video? Yes, I'm at the park. I'm shooting this in 4K at 30 frames per second because that's the most the G7 will do. It doesn't do 60 frames. Boo LG, look at it, look at the sky, slow pan. But what y'all think so far? Let me do some walking. I'm gonna zoom in. Man, that's actually pretty good. What y'all think? I'm all the way in, come back out. I'm gonna walk around. I'm just holding the phone in front of me. Let's go to this park. I'm surprised nobody's here at the park. So the neighbors are probably still looking like, this guy's walking around talking to himself, but you know, that's what us YouTubers do. But how does this look and sound? I'm gonna see if we can lose some focus. But so far, man, what I'm seeing on the phone itself, it actually looks pretty good. Let's see. Bam. That's pretty good focus, at least what I see on the phone. Let's see. Check out this red. Look at that leaf. What y'all think about it? We'll go to the ground. Man, I actually think this looks pretty good. I'm gonna come back with the rest of the video, 1080p, 60 and 30 frames, and then a front-facing camera test. But it's been great. Just check the rest of the video out. Okay everyone, so this is 1080p at 60 frames per second. I didn't mention it earlier in the 4K, so I'm gonna mention it here now at 60 frames per second, or anytime you shoot. On the V30 and the G6, you used to be able to switch between standard lens and wide angle. So for some reason, LG took the ability away on the G7. LG, if you're listening, put it back, because that was a cool feature. I really like that. If I wanted to go wide angle, I didn't have to stop the video and change it in the beginning. But y'all let me know how this looks. How do I sound? Man, this looks good too. But hey, it's up to y'all. Let's go into this tree, see if we have any focusing. Ooh. Man, that's quick. That's actually really nice. But again, it's just been a quick video sample. People have been asking about the cameras. To me, I think it's an upgrade from the V30. But stay tuned to the channel. That's one of the comparisons I'm working on. Probably have that up next week sometime, or this week sometime. But again, it's just been a quick video sample at 1080p, 60 frames per second. Y'all let me know how it looks in the comments. But I'm gonna come back and do 30 frames. Just give me a minute. Okay everyone, so this is 1080p at 30 frames per second. Look, slow pan of the area. Again, y'all let me know how I look and sound. How does the video look? Let's zoom in some. Look at that bird. How does that look zoomed in all the way? Look at the bird. I don't know what it's doing. Trying to look for some food, but the worms are hiding. It's too hot for the worms. But y'all let me know how the stabilization looks. How do the trees and the sky, the colors. I think it actually looked all pretty good right now. The cameras, like I said earlier, I think they definitely improved on the G7. But I want your opinions. Y'all let me know. If you plan on picking it up, do your homework. That's what I normally tell people. Watch our videos. Look at that. It's a good focus. Look, I'm at the park. It's early. Not too many people's here. Thank God. But again, look at the trees. How does that look? How do I sound? You know, the normal stuff. But I think it actually looks pretty good. All right, so I'm gonna come back with, I'm gonna do a wide angle shot at 1080p 60 frames. So I'm gonna do that I'm gonna do that next, so I'll be back. Okay everyone, so this is 1080p 60 frames per second, but on the wide angle lens. Gotta hit him up with the wide angle. Shout out to Leo from Android Stud. He loves his wide angle on lenses, trust me. Go check out his channel. Look, that's zooming in as much as you can with the wide angle. What y'all think about it? But look how much more I can get in the shot with the wide angle. Now, does it look as good as the standard? No, but man, that's a lot of real estate into the shot. Now the bugs are out. But y'all let me know how this looks. Again, it's just been a quick sample of what the G7 ThingQ can actually do. But y'all let me know how it looks and sounds. Hit him up with that wide angle, Leo. You know how we do it. I'll be back. I'm gonna come back with the front facing camera in just a minute. Okay everyone, so this is the front facing camera on the G7 ThingQ. Yes, it's shooting at 1080p 30 frames per second because that's the most it can shoot. How do I look? How do I sound? I know it's kind of echo underneath the gazebo thing here at the park. So let me move away from that into the sun. Man, it is bright out here today. But again, walking around the park, what do y'all think about these cameras? The front camera on the G7 is an improvement from the V30 and the G6, definitely, in my opinion. But I want your opinion. I want you to do your homework on it. Y'all let me know how I look and sound. Again, I'm just holding the camera in front of me, or the phone. No gimbals. The bugs are flying around my face. Let's see how it handles from going straight to the sun into the shade. Look. Man, I think this actually looks pretty good. But y'all let me know. Is it pixel-like? I don't know. Y'all let me know. But it's been, like I said, I did the 4K, the 1080p, 60 and 30. Even hit them with the wide angle. Y'all let me know how everything looks and sounds as a video test. Look at that tree in the background. I think everything looks pretty good. Y'all let me know what y'all thought about this camera video sample test in the comments. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.